Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is July 6th. Since Y'all Farmer's Almanac said we shouldn't plant root crops, guess we have no choice but to dig. Come on, let's see what we get. There you go. Now if you remember when we planted these, they were very tiny little seed potatoes. There you go. There you are. The potatoes. And these are just going to be fingerlings, so we're doing pretty good. Well, sometimes you eat the bar, sometimes the bar eats you. We got two little ones. Okay. Here we go. There you go. There you go. Now there's your beautiful Pontiac Reds. Now all these were planted by a seed potato, no bigger than that. These ones over here were planted by a very small seed potato. Look at that. Oh. Ruth Stout said you just drop your potato and cover it with a little hay. So you uncover the little bit of hay, I mean just a little bit of hay. Look at that, that's going back here. Lift up a little more hay. Look what we got. I'm telling you, just right underneath that hay. In the wood chips. We got this, which is going all the way to this plant. We'll take up the rest of that plant. And look at that. Look down in there. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Is that the easiest way you've ever seen to pick a potato? And that root keeps going. I don't think there's anything on it. But that's just that side of it. Look, we got some more. And we got some more. And we got a couple more. I'll take this one. I still see another one down in there. What we got there. We got 1, 2, 3, 3. These are nice. Okay, but this original, we're going to go ahead and plant it back. I'm gonna break. We're going to go ahead and plant that back and see what we get. Little purple ones. There they are. They're not the biggest, but they're going to be tasty. If you remember how I planted these, they were off of some very tiny seed potatoes that had eyes. Very long eyes. I didn't know if they would grow at all. There's another one of them originals that I'm going to replant. That's not too bad. I've got a couple nice ones. These aren't very big, but these aren't supposed to be very big. They're just fingerlings. But we got quite a few rotted that are starting to rot, so it's a good thing we got in here. There you go. Beautiful worms. That's a potato. Now's where the fun begins. Those pulled up without the potatoes on them because the potatoes are still in the ground. This is what we want to see right under the ground. That's a potato. And that's the parent potato. We're going to replant it also. These are some nice, these aren't too bad. See if there's anything else underneath here. Well, it made me one great big potato. 2 decent sized potatoes. A couple more little ones. We're going to go ahead and put these back in the ground. Parent potato. Parent potato. Parent potato with roots. Go ahead and cover these back up. Now, a majority of these potatoes grew out of seed potatoes that were about this big and had eyes on them this long. You remember. I just want to show you what you can do with a little bit of mulch and almost no effort. Anyhow, I'm going to go make some mashed potatoes. And until next time, thank you for stopping by the garden. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.